Hello guys, thanks for tuning in. My name is Mike MD. Today we're going to be talking about how to find the best repair facility for your car. Okay, so assuming you're not going to go to a dealership for your car and you're saying, how do I find a gem amongst all these other repair facilities? Well, first of all, it's always best to find a repair shop that specializes in your vehicle. It'll actually save you money in the long run. Reason being is because they know your vehicle better than anyone, so they see patterns and they are more likely to know what the issue is on your car, especially if it's a check engine light related issue. Now, if you don't have that luxury, that's fine. The best way to go is to check the reviews. So you can go on Yelp, on Google, there's all kinds of other reviews. That's the best way to go for finding a repair shop. It kind of gives you the starting point on to dig a little deeper. Okay, so you find this shop, say on Yelp, it's got 4.5 stars, that's great. Okay, so a lot of these repair facilities are by appointment, unless it's like a franchise like Firestone or something like that. Now, if it is an independent repair facility, they usually are by appointment only. But no big deal, just give them a call, schedule an appointment for something simple first, okay? I mean, if you have issues going on, then you gotta take care of them. But if you're just looking to kind of find a shop to get a feel of things, schedule an appointment first for something very simple. So say like an oil service. So you wanna go in there, the first thing you do is you look around, is it clean? See if you can kind of peek in the shop a little bit. Don't be nosy, they don't like you walking in. You can ask, hey, can I use your restroom? And just make sure everything's organized and clean, how the workers look, if they have uniforms on or are they wearing their Metallica shirt, you know. A repair facility that is professional, it'll reflect on their quality of work as well. And when you're in their lobby, they should have stuff posted, like with their certifications and their licenses and things like that. That's always very reassuring, because there are shops out there that are just running and they are not legit. And just so you guys know, these shops that are out there, these repair facilities, they're not really out there to take your money and just pull a fast one on you. I mean, they do have a bad rap of that, and that's because some of the things on the news you'll see, one bad seed affects the whole lot. It really is the repair facility's job to look out for your best interest. And even though they may recommend all kinds of things, it really is for 2 points. One is because you really need the repair. The other one is they're just covering their butt. In case something happens, and most of the stuff is safety related, if they get in an accident for some reason or whatever, or they get stranded, they're gonna be like, dude, I just had it at your shop, you know? So that's why they do that. Another thing that's really important when you're at a repair facility is you wanna make clear if you want factory parts or non-factory parts. If you have a German car, you don't want to put Chinese parts on your German car unless you plan on selling it the next week. If you plan on keeping your car, you want quality German parts on your car. So make sure you make that clear from the beginning. If they just want to skirt around that a little bit and not really give you any detailed information on that, like at our repair facility, we'll say, yes, we use factory parts, or we'll use the same brand that the factory uses. And lastly, you want to build a relationship with the shop. Once you go there, don't start going to other places, because one, they can tell, and then two, the more they see you and you build a relationship, the more likely they're gonna help you on other things that they wouldn't usually help other people on. For example, pricing is a big one. I know you like to save money. Special treatment in all kinds of ways. They may give you little freebies here and there, or top off your fluids for free whenever you call. And then flat out, you'll just get treated better. Guys, I really hope this helped you out to find a shop that's best for you. Please like, subscribe, and share, and hit the little bell as well. Happy motoring to you.